Here's Lily in the kitchen. Come on. Come here. Come here. I know. Come here. I want you to come here. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's Tucker. I'm David Lily. Come on. Get there. Yeah. Are you stuck under Tucker? Tuck. Move that Lily through. She's stuck. Come on, Buggy. Go. You're into it. Nice. You did a good job. Where's Charlie? Charles. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Are you gonna crawl too? Huh? No? Come on. That's not crawling. No. How about you? Are you done? Are you done? Yeah? Oh, no. Are you stuck? Do you want me to help you? Me to help you? Okay. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Do bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Lily. Mama. Oh. Okay, we'll stay with bye-bye. Bye. Bye.